Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to potential class theory class number 32. Listen, in previous class, we have already discussed the relation between electric field intensity and potential difference. We have already discussed, but now we have to discuss the equipotential surface. Make a heading: equipotential surface. Equipotential surface. It's shortly written as EPS. EPS. Equipotential surface. Yes or no? Equipotential surface. Equipotential surface means equipotential. Eq means equal. Potential तो we have already known. Surface is the which substance suggest area. That is called surface. Yes or no? That means in all surface, in all region. So surface in all region, the potential is same. That is called equipotential surface. You can write anywhere in the region of surface, anywhere in the region of surface, the potential to be same amount is called EPS, equipotential surface. Equipotential surface. Anywhere in the region of surface, the potential to be same amount is called equipotential surface or EPS. Listen. So it is also called equipotential surface. In equipotential surface means, suppose this is the equipotential surface. So suppose the sphere is the spherical shape equipotential surface. That means here potential, all potential are same. That means here एठी जो पोटेंशियल एठी सेही पोटेंशियल ता माने एउ चार्ज फ्लो होई परिबो नै ता माने इन इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस चार्ज कैन नॉट बी फ्लो. आमे जानि छथि चार्ज विल फ्लो ओनली इन पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस केस. दैट मीन चार्ज मूविंग फ्रॉम हायर पोटेंशियल टू लो पोटेंशियल. दैट मीन्स इन सजेस्टेड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. Whenever potential difference means equipotential surface, there is potential difference is zero. So that's why the charge cannot be flow in equipotential surface. You can write down this one. So some characteristics you have to write down. Characteristic equipotential surface. Characteristics of equipotential surface. Characteristics of EPS. In EPS, potential difference is zero. Potential difference is zero. Listen, in EPS, no charge flow in this surface. In EPS, there no flow of charge. Charge केबे फ्लो होई परियो ना क्या पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस जीरो. there is no higher potential, no lower potential, all potential are same. If EPS is no flow of charge, in EPS no work done be occurs. In EPS work done is zero. Work done is zero because W is equal to VQ, potential difference 0 into Q is equal to 0. Potential difference 0, so that's why work done is 0. In EPS, two equipotential surface never intersect each other. Two EPS never intersect each other. ए प्रोसेस आम पढ़ीचु दुटा लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स जमी इंटरसेक्ट करेनि सिमिलरली टू ईपीएस कैन नॉट बी इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर. लिसन, two EPS never intersect each other. Listen, you have to write down. So then another point, for point charge we have already known. For point charge field is non-uniform. For point charge field is non-uniform. Yes or no? Field is non-uniform and EPS is spherical cell. Suppose this is the point charge. Suppose point charge field is electric field is in this direction, but it is non-uniform because here field are unsame because there is lines of force are not parallel. So that's why there is field is not uniform. This is non-uniform electric field. But due to point charge, the field direction is mean 3D. So due to point charge, suppose this is the point charge, field is in this direction, total 3D and spherical shape. So spherical shape is created. Such spherical shape is the equipotential surface. That means for point charge field is non-uniform and EPS is spherical shape. For uniform field, we have already known this is the non-uniform field. Uniform field is what? Uniform field this direction. We have already known uniform field comes from the surface. We have already known the lines of force is come particularly 90 degree to the surface. That means this surface is 90 degree. Similarly, this line 90 degree, this means surface must be a plane. Whenever surface is plane, then field is uniform. So field is uniform, the field is uniform, the EPS is what? EPS is plane. Yes or no? So this is the uniform field. Due to for uniform field, EPS is plane. Due to non-uniform field, EPS is spherical shape. Due to uniform field, EPS is plane. Due to non-uniform field, EPS is spherical shape. You have to remember and you have to imagine what is there what. Yes or no? These are what? Yes or no? So you have to write down. Then after expressing equipotential surface, then you have to start EPL. EPL क्या है? equipotential line. You have to heading equipotential line. Equipotential line. Equipotential line. EPL, equipotential line. Equipotential line क्या है? Which line drawn from equipotential surface? That is called equipotential line. The line so drawn, you have to write down the line so drawn. Line so drawn that potential line so drawn that potential at any point line so drawn মানে potential line টা draw yes or no potential line drawn the line so drawn that potential at any point in this line are same. So it is called line so drawn that potential at any point in this line are same. So it is called equipotential line. So they also never intersect each other. They also two EPL equipotential line 2 EPL also never intersect each other. Yes or no? So this is the equipotential surface, equipotential line. Now the electrostatic potential finished. Yes or no? So but now some important example I will give. Yes or no? So you have to write down. Here one example are there. A charge Q is distributed to concentric hollow sphere of radius small r and capital R, where small r less than capital R, such that their surface density are same. Calculate potential at common center of Q. This is the one question. Here, two concentric sphere are there. Suppose this concentric means one center. Common center, two sphere are available. So this is the small r, this is the capital R. Here capital R greater than R or R less than capital R. Here total charge, a charge Q is distributed. So this charge is distributed this sphere and this sphere. Suppose small sphere is Q1, capital sphere, small sphere is Q1, big sphere is Q. Suppose let small sphere ready small sphere charge Q1, big sphere charge Q. That means Q1, the sphere having density small r is having Q1 charge, and big sphere having radius capital R having also Q2 charge. So here due to according to question, Q is equal to Q1 plus Q. Q is equal to Q1 plus Q. Here we know the charge density, the surface charge density is same. That means it has surface charge density, small surface charge density, and big sphere surface charge density same. That means surface charge density is surface charge. It is visible or not? Surface charge density is equal to what? Rho by small, rho by surface charge density rho is equal to surface charge density rho or sigma is equal to q1 by 4 pi r square. It is visible or not? Visible or not? 4 pi q1 by 4 pi small r cube. It's the small. Listen. Similarly, big sphere. You have to question, write down big sphere surface charge density q2 by 4 pi capital R square. That is the small, that is the big sphere. According to question, two are same. According to question, two are same. That means q1 by 4 pi small r square, q2 by 4 pi capital R square. 4 pi cancel each other. q1 is equal to q2 small r square by. This is the value of q1. This is the value of q1. Here we know you have to write down we know capital Q equal to q1 plus q2 equal q1 is equal to q2 small r square by capital R square by q2. Here q is equal to q2 come to common, q2 common, then r square plus r square by r. This is the q. That means here q2 is equal to capital Q r square by r square plus small r square. This is the q. Similarly, q1 is what? q1 is q2 small r square by r square, or q2 is equal to capital Q r square by r square plus r square into r square by r square. Cancel each other. Then q1 is equal to capital Q r square by r square plus r square. This is the q1, this is the q2, this is the q1. It is visible or not? This is the q1, this is the q2. But we know the question asks you the potential at common center is what? Potential at common center V is equal to V1 plus V2. V1 is the potential due to small sphere, V2 is the potential due to big sphere. V1 the small sphere means beta q1 by small r. This is the r, this is the q1 charge, this is the q2 charge. Due to this sphere potential V1, due to this sphere potential is V2. Due to this sphere potential is V1. V1 is what? Beta this charge q1 by r plus beta q2 by r. Listen. So finally, the beta by R common Q1 plus Q2. Sorry, this is capital R. So beta is common Q1 by R plus Q2 by R. Here beta Q1 is what? Q capital Q R square by R square plus R square into R plus Q2 is what? Capital Q R square by R square plus R square into R. Listen. So finally you get result. V is equal to cancel each other. So beta Q by R square plus R square can common. Q by R square plus R square can common. You have to take common. Beta Q by capital R square plus small r square common. Then in bracket small r plus capital. So E is equal to beta Q into small r capital R by R square. This is the one answer of the problem. One problem. Similarly, same type of question are available in your books. You can be solved. If any doubt, then inform me. Immediately inform me. Listen. So, electrostatic potential is finished. Then after, I will discuss about some problem, about some multiple question, entrance basis question. Listen. Then after, I will discuss. I will start the capacitance, electrostatic potential, then capacitance. Listen. So, thank you so much.